Hey, hello everyone. A very good morning to all of you. And this is me, Jeyganesan, your trainer here from SphereSkills, and I welcome you all to SphereSkills Technology, empowering tomorrow's learning. So today we are there in the module 4 season 2, which we are going to see data tools and how do this data tools can provide you a clean and control of the data sheets and workbooks, right? By using a validation drop down grouping and subtotal, we can able to have a clean and clear control of the Excel data validation into our worksheet. So how do we achieve this? That is what today we are going to see practically, and we have covered our data cleaning in our session 1, which includes your remove duplicate text to columns and flash fills. So if you guys have not gone through with the session 1, I will leave the card on the top. You can pick up the card and then have a review of session 1 and come back to this session, right? So stay tuned with me, guys. And if you found this video to be informative, please forward it to the needy one, to your colleagues or your friends, and do like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries, leave me a comment. I will be more than glad to help you out. I will leave my email ID also. You can reach out to me for any kind of a clarification. Okay, so you can pick up the worksheet link from the description, where you can able to download this workbook what we have used for this module 4 season 2, and you can download and practice it on your own. Okay, so stay tuned.
SphereSkill Technologies, empowering tomorrow's learning.
In this data tools practice workbook, we are going to see about how data validation, drop down list, how to create that grouping and subtotal. So this worksheet I am having a all sample set of data, which I will be also uploading into your knowledge hub. I will provide the link in the description. You can able to pick up the link and then download it for your reference. Okay, so now I have data validation which is there in place for a employee list attendance tracker. So for which I would like to have present PAL. So how do we achieve this? We can able to achieve it from the data. So for that, what is the shortcut? Alt A, right, for data. Next, V is for your validation. So in this, once again, V is for your data cell. So here we are going to choose list and we are going to provide the validators here. So what is that P? P is for present, A is for absent, L is for leave, right? So now if I type yes here, what will happen? It will validate and tell like this yes is not been allowed here. So only thing what will be accepted is PAL. So that is how you can able to validate it. We can also pick up from the drop down here and then we can type it. Okay, so that is how this works. So now if I type something else in this, will it allow? Right, because it will have a validation in the place. So only what is been accepted in this as a PAL will be allowed in the data validation, right? The similar way, drop down list. So drop down list is what? It is a dynamic list. Okay, so I have a employee here and the department, and I have a list which is already prepared. This list is the one which we are going to work further. So alt A, so we will get into this. For the data validation is V, once again is V. So here any value say we are going to choose from the list. So how do we choose? We have a arrow mark here. Select the arrow mark and select what are the fields you would like to enter. Okay, so you got it, and click OK. Okay, so automatically you will get what are the fields what is been required in this. So if you type something, it will also accept, but which is there inside the list. We can pick up from this also. Like that we can able to create a dynamic list. So this we will be able to increase it, and at a later stage you don't want to display this record, you can hide this record also. So what will be the benefits? You can add multiple records when it's been required without modifying the list parameters, right? So let us see how to do grouping. What is the importance of grouping here? So before that, monthly wise, I have segregated what is the sales record. We will have all the volumes here of the summary for each and every quarter. So we have all the summaries here. for every quarter what is the sales target which is been achieved. So our requirement here to make the grouping of each and every quarter. So how to achieve this? So we will go to data. From data we have a field called group. So we will take the group here, right? So what is the benefits of the group? So group, you can able to minimize and expand it, and this particular field will be considered as one particular group, right? So now second quarter we have achieved it. Similarly we will get the third quarter, and similarly we will go to the fourth quarter. So you want to project what is the grouped value, so it will become easy for you to project it, right? So now Q2, Q3, Q4. So to get the values, we will quickly expand it, or we can able to contract it. So you will get what is the value of this. See, we will get the sales value record by grouping it, and which is like a summary. You can able to get it out. So that is the use of the grouping, right? Next, we will go with the uh, subtotal. Okay, subtotal is one of the interesting concept. So where I have a department wise, employee wise, what is the sales? So I have two departments here. So we are going to get the values of a subtotal. So how do we achieve it? So we will achieve it by selecting all the values. So HR, I have two employee. IT, I have two employee. Sales, I have two employee. Their sales record is being provided here. So for this, I'm going to do a subtotal of the sales value, what department wise the employee has performed. Okay, so this is our objective here. So how do we achieve it? Data, and we have a subtotal here. So how we are going to get the subtotal? Based on the sales value. At which stage we will be getting it? Based on the department, right? So if you choose employee name wise it will come, but we want to have it with a department wise. So when you choose this, automatically you will get the value. So you see here, HR, for the HR total, what is the employee of HR for both together, and what is the value we have got it. And IT, you got the value of IT total, and similarly what is the value of sales total, we have got it, and we have received the details. So this is the importance of subtotal. So how you can able to get only this is also like a grouping. It will group and categorize and provide you. So you can get only the overall value you may not require. So you can expand it or contract it when it is been required, and you can provide your presentation further. So that is how the subtotal overall will be working, right? So today, what are the topics we have covered? We have seen like how do data validation work, what is the best practice, and we have given examples of that. Drop down list, how to do a dynamic drop down list with the list value, grouping of data, and also subtotal of the data, right? So you guys can able to download this from the knowledge hub. I will leave this workbook in the knowledge hub actually, so you can download and make benefits of that. Okay, thank you guys. We have come to the end of this session 2, module 4, and thanks for showing your love and making our channel to participate in the live event. And we have completed our first live for pre-launch event of Spear Chat. It was a wonderful moment, and I thank everyone who has participated in that. If you guys have missed that event, I will leave the card on the top. You can pick up the recorded session, and you can able to walk through with that. I will also provide the required link. You can able to get the link from the description and have a look at our sphere chat, right? So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We will be covering all our modules in the further series of this Excel basic to Excel advanced. If you found this video to be informative, please give me a like and share this video with your friends and colleagues who are willing to become an Excel expert. And do follow me on my Facebook and my YouTube channel. And you can also reach out to my website for in case of any clarifications, and for getting the worksheet downloaded from the Knowledge Hub. Right. So thank you everyone. This is me Jeyganesan signing off for today.